Hey, welcome back to Let's Eat with Russ. Today I'm going to show you how to make mayonnaise at home. I'm going to use avocado oil. I know avocado oil mayo is all the rage right now. So this is just 2 egg yolks that I separated from the whites, just the yolks. Let's get those mixed and beaten up just a little bit here. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. It helps break down the yolks a little bit. So if you have a food processor or an immersion blender or even a regular blender, you can do this a lot faster and easier, but I'm going to do it with a whisk by hand, the old-fashioned slow way, just to show you in case you don't have any of that equipment, you can do it without it. So once we get to this point, we're basically going to start adding our oil, but you want to add it, oh, actually I almost forgot. I add a teaspoon of Dijon mustard as well. It also helps to kind of break down, if I could get it off my darn finger. It adds a little bit of flavor to the mayo, and again, it helps to break it down a little bit. So when it comes to adding the oil, it's important to maintain the emulsion. So I like to add it just a little bit at a time at first. And this 1 cup of avocado oil. And by the way, when you're buying your avocado oil, you really got to look at the label. So many avocado oils say avocado, has a big picture of an avocado, and then when you look at the actual label, it's mostly like canola oil or something with a little bit of avocado oil in it. So you spend a little bit more, but this is just pure plain avocado oil. So use 1 full cup, and I actually like to just take a measuring spoon and just get a little bit at a time, because you really just want a few drops at a time while you're whisking it or blending it or food processing it or however you're doing it. But you want to add it really slow at first so that it starts to create the emulsion that we need. Otherwise you just get a weird chunky mess. So I just add a little bit at a time, and then as it starts to get incorporated a bit and sort of becoming mayo gradually, then you can add it in a slow, steady stream while you're mixing it the whole time. So I think we're just about to that point. So I'm going to just do this all really quick by hand. And I'll just speed up this part, but you can see as I drizzle it in on a slow stream here. And there you go. Then I like to add about a teaspoon or so of salt. And you can add anything else if you want to make a flavored type of mayonnaise. You know, you can just add sriracha now to make it sriracha mayo, or, you know, garlic, herbs, whatever you want to add to your mayo. But there you go, it's mayo. And it's super easy to make. And most mayonnaise, you know, they got a bunch of ingredients you can't read or pronounce. So this way you can kind of control what goes into your mayonnaise. Super easy. Throw it in a mason jar. Or even if you just have an old mayonnaise jar that you emptied and washed out, you can throw it in there. Should keep for a good week or 2 at least in the fridge. So there you go. Super easy. Make your own mayo. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.